Amazing feats require extreme focus from the pilots of the formation. Now the Concorde formation for the flat demonstration. They are now in a big arrow formation, and they will come back in front of you in this formation for the second flyby with the blue, red, white color. They are now reversing to the right in Concorde formation to come back in front of you for a flyby in diamond formation, once again coming from your right. As you understood, the layer don't enable any vertical turn maneuvers. This is the flat H-ship demonstration you're looking at. And now in diamond formation, the firewall with aircraft. They selected the tricolor, and they're now taking the spread out diamond formation to come back from your left for the simultaneous barrel under the order of the leader that we're gonna listen. They reform the diamond formation. It's a very technical phase to ensure simultaneity and symmetry. And watch now, the number 4 inside the diamond is now stepping back. Is our next leader for the next season is Gauthier de War. In Leuchars formation, Patrouille de France 2011. And watch now, this number 4 is entering the losange while the outside wingman slip back to form the Ghana formation.